Supposed to be tight as fuck. Oh my god.
You say you've lost weight, Ted?
Yeah.
Why are they so tight?
They're supposed to be tight. They're supposed to be gay.
Is
I'm gay now.
that what you wear on trials bikes?
Yeah.
Tight pants?
Tight pants.
Well, if you haven't guessed it already, this, if we vlog it, if we bring it to the channel, this is me and the #1 melt riding trials. Oh no! What a terrible start! Oh. Keep it moving! Nice, Teddy! Lovely that! Can't believe how well he rode up that bit. She's absolutely slimly has. Obviously, as you'd expect, he has a brand new Michelin X11 trial tyre on. If enough people watch this video, go and buy one off him. I might get a free one of those. Here he goes, big waterfall, go! Go, Teddy, go! Even got flags in for you, look. Yes, Teddy! Teddy, that was epic! Carry on! Tight in there, isn't it? We'll send him over here, but it's a little tight. Even for little tiny Teddy. That's the first time your little legs have come in handy. Yeah! Carry on! Oh! I think the X11 has got too much pressure in it.
I need to go stop the foot.
Well then, get out of here, we'll ride back down it. Just turn around where you can. No! Are you alright? He's still running. How come he's still running without?
Is that our film?
Yeah. I can't believe it carried on running. Oh, that was brilliant. Well, at least you turned it round. Trial back, Teddy.
Trial bike.
That hurt, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
Oh.
Come here. Well, what have we done this? They're doing a fucking enduro bike.
Yeah, we should do this more often.
I am enjoying it.
Ideal.
What's on you?
We need Teddy back in front. This vlog. Oh! I put my foot on there. See if Teddy does the same. I put my foot on that slidey rock there and it just slipped straight off into the water. Let's just see if he does it.
What?
Carry on. That's what I did. Yes. Right, I'm going to let you go first because otherwise this vlog is absolutely boring. I don't think many people actually ride this. I am looking forward to doing a bit more of this with the rest of the potty crew in summer. You seem to have a spiky branch in your face. Just burn it out like you do on your enduro bikes. We can fix that, let's go. Down the same river. Send it, Ted. Oh yes, beautiful. Oh my god! What is going on with that bike? Listen to it!
What's going on? Fucking shit bikes. Revving its fucking bonkers off. What the fuck?
It cracks me up when you take that lanyard off. He doesn't even do how.
I know.
Oh.
Not for safety and all that.
Oh, let's go fix it all. Come on, we can do it. What a melt. Absolute massive Teddy. Small Teddy, massive melt. Oh, it's doing it again. It's not run out of fuel, you cock.
What's going on?
Well, was it full when you started?
Well, it might have been half up fucking trailer floor.
Alright, can you ride it back to the van?
Well, obviously not, because it's not letting me do that.
No, just ride it full speed.
Fucking bikes.
This is brilliant. We don't even need to do any riding to have fun here. No, it's not happening, is it? Well, you push it back to the van, I'll meet you back there. This. You want one of them now, don't you, Ted? And look, matching Yeti tumbler, whatever they're called. Ah, cup of tea, lad. Guess what tea that is, Ted?
South Yorkshire.
Yes, you're ready. Oh, I see. Ooh, keep that on there. And then just, how do you pop that tank out then?
No, I never took tank off.
Never took tank off?
Yeah, didn't need to. Just get carburetor off.
Carburetor. Look at that condensation in there.
Oh, yeah.
Is that normal? I think it maybe is. Comment below. Is that normal on your slide to have some condensation in there? Clip is low.
What's that mean?
Well, so the needle's quite high. Well, it's only one below middle. I think we're going to go up a clip, drop the needle in. Need some long nose pliers to change the clip. Let's go from bottom back to middle. That'll do.
Best thing about this bike's got a Rega back shock.
Okay. Do that. It's quite good.
Boom.
It's not exactly a Olin's back shock though, is it? Have you ever had a pina colada cocktail?
What's that got to do with carburettor?
Why do we only have to talk about carburettors?
It's been like 5 minutes. I've done more damage on this than do racing.
Oh, carb crew. What are you going to do? Give a from.
Oh no, face cracked. That's it, job over.
No, it's meant to be cracked there.
That's not meant to be cracked.
Let me have a look round that side.
Cracked.
That's not cracked. You haven't seen that.
Bloody shock going up the backside now.
No, that's not a proper crack.
It's cracked.
It's not. That's what they do. They're called fracture stresses, and they're meant to be like that.
When that shocker comes right up.
No, that's a Rega shock, like you said, upgraded. It'll be fine.
It'll be upgraded
They
up
can
my
handle.
backside.
Do you know why you put Rega shocks on?
Yeah, it'll be rigged up my backside. That.
No, they're for cracked frames.
I've already got a bruised ass as it is.
That ain't stopping us, Ted. All right. I feel like we've got a bit further on with that. Don't touch the exhaust pipe because that's quite hot. That carb won't on there properly.
Won't it?
I'll tell you now, it won't. Too much air and fuel does, yeah. Oh, that's it. It feels at home.
No, that's better.
Yeah. That feels like, I could feel it click in.
What's a new tyre on it?
Well, can I have that one?
Oh, it's brand new.
How many viewers do we need on this video for me to get
Michelin.
a Michelin X11 for my trials bike?
50,000.
50,000! Like, subscribe and share this video to 50,000 people and I'll get...
No, that's bending. Look at that. It is, bro.
No, don't stop pushing.
Look at that, it is, and look at that.
Yeah, you don't need that bit, look.
Oh, yeah,
just
right,
holds that
whatever.
on.
Right, is it fixed?
Yeah, get the...
Come on. This is where it gets awkward.
Bosh! That's miles better. Look, it's on properly and everything.
Oh, you don't put that on there.
Oh, I'm not bothered about that bit. Frame snapped anyway. My bit's done. I'll move that a bit. Wow, how tight do you have that? Just tight enough so that you can't move it if you want to. Cup stays warm in here for over 8 hours. Yorkshire tea. I'm just let him have this. Let the pigeon just have this moment, right? Go online to Secret Spot Surf Shop and order yourself one of these Yeti cups, and you are doing the pigeon a solid. If you like the pigeon, get online.
Buy my nose cover as well at the same time.
Oh my god, you're such a melt. The hole's not in there. We need a podger. Can you undo them all first for a bit, please? You honestly need to undo them all till you've got them all in.
What's the one in it?
4. How much was in it?
5.
Yeah, it's too much. I thought you had a tyre shop, as if you don't know what pressures you run in a trials tyre.
I do.
You do now. I'll take my unique little stool away with me. Nice, Teddy! Can't really get any further because of that wire. Yes, Teddy lad! Oh. Teddy, melt! Come on, Teddy, lad! Yep! Now we're riding! Oh, yes, Teddy! I can't believe you did that, it was sketchy. Let me know in the comments if you like this sort of thing. There's a reason we're not on the main bikes at the minute, but that is coming back hopefully next weekend, so we'll do some proper ride vlogs again. Stay with me, we're trying to bring some content to the channel.